Mi kat maktin hadin ba usyong knor kaying dorbar uklam ailat bad ulaong ban nom kren ki bom larkam namar kapan serwa kapor bat na kalyang persyaru kalaong ngimju penserwa kaya kapor henrengi ataya kimat badon kam bat ladangi kwa ban penserwa kaya kapor ngin nom wan hang ne na kalyang upres ten songro ula kuburi ka jingle usyong knor bakalong ka badai ya ka ka baule bat nakal yang persyaru kalakem kitin klam aila di usiam ban jubab bat kelami no arsat na yang dorbar nakal yang usiam ulang baro kini ki wat dau ban mi no nakane kaying namar bakim kuat ban sengap ya ke kebangan pensyai.
The duty of the opposition members to sit here is ended.
I have already made my ruling.
The ruling is not very clear, sir, so we are not satisfied. So the opposition members have no role to sit here and waste their time. The finance minister is redundant, is useless.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think your ruling is very clear. Let me again come back. See, I think in the first day itself, we place this BAC decision to the House. And ultimately, the House has adopted, has agreed. So,
Mr. Speaker, sir, we, as a mark of disapproval, lest it becomes precedent, we walk out as a token of our protest, Mr. Speaker.
Sir, then even the opposition means they make fool of themselves. If you say you walk out at the same time, you also walk out at the same time, we approve it. I think, sir, that in fact, this attitude is not at all acceptable.
You may move, Parliamentary Affairs Minister can move the Rule 316, so we can for the suspension.
Sorry, sir.
You may move under Rule 316 for suspension of rules. I think. Still, sir. Let me just tell you one thing, sir. Because this calendar has been approved by the House.
Exactly.
The first day itself. So how can we again go back to 316? How can we go back?
Already given you a ruling. The Honourable Chief Minister is already on his feet. Yes. He will be allowed to continue his speech.
Yes.
I'll walk out.
Sir, first of all, it is really unfortunate that the honourable members are making an issue out of something where they themselves were part of the decision when you had put the question of the business, the proposal of the Business Advisory Committee, and the entire House has accepted it. To me, sir, it looks like they don't want to listen to the reply on the budget, because it looks like they are seeing the kind of work that's happening, and from what I understand, that they are finding a reason not to be here to listen to the reply.